Hello, this is Dominga from Elina Education. I'll help you get started with Elina, your AI assistant. Whether you're new to Elina or just want a refresher, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to create a group, set up a group plan, build a project plan that's customized and inclusive, and make use of the chat for further and completed assistance. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a group profile, develop a group plan with goals and materials, build a project plan with detailed AI-assisted activities tailored to your educational objectives, and talk with Elina directly through the chat. Everything you'll learn is designed to help you plan learning experiences aligned with your children's interests and needs, while grounded in pedagogical research and inclusive theories. Once you've logged in, you'll land on My Plans page. This is your homepage to get started with planning. On the upper right, you will find the user menu where you can access your profile and update your account details. Right next to it, you will find language settings where you can select the language with which you want to explore Elina. On the left side, we have the navigation bar, which gives you access to the different features of Elina: My Plans, My Groups, and Chat with Elina. To start building a plan, we first need a group. Let's go to My Groups by clicking on it on the navigation bar. Create a group profile is essential for the assistance of Elina. This way, she can create tailored learning experiences and ensure curriculum alignment appropriate for the age and stage of your students. Here, you'll see all your previously created groups. To create a new one, click the button in the header labeled Create a Group and Group Profile. Next, you will be asked to enter the basic information of your group, like the group name, number of children, and age range. Once you've filled that out, click on Create, and you'll move to the Add Group Details page. This is where the personalization begins. You can describe your group's interests, current skills, goals, and what you want to monitor. First, you write a general summary of your group, and then Elina will distribute its characteristics based on different areas. So you will have the details about the interests, the skills and abilities, the goals and objectives, monitoring and evaluation. And also, there's the support needs section, where you can indicate any special educational needs or support required. Finally, you can add competences to focus on. When you're ready, click Generate Profile. And just like that, your group is ready. Now it's time to create a group plan, your long-term planning tool in Elina. From the navigation bar, select My Plans, and you will be redirected to this section. In the header where you see the button Create a Group Plan, press and select one of your groups. We're going to start with our new group, Stars. Then click on Create a Group Plan. First, you can set the duration of the plan, for example, over a month or an entire term. This helps you organize and pace your learning journey with your group. Then, you can enter the theme of the plan, whether it's systems, community helpers, or any other topic that you have in mind and want to explore with your class. Now it's time to define your educational goals. You can either write your own targets and objectives, specific learning outcomes that you want to achieve with your children, or choose from Elina's pre-designed goal list, which is generated based on the competences and skills aligned with the curriculum that Elina follows. After that, you can select competences to focus on. Once all details are in, click Create a Group Plan. Elina will generate a personalized plan including an engaging introduction, enhanced targets and learning intentions, methods and activities, evaluation ideas with evaluation indicators, the resources and materials that you will have to use, a note for parents and guardians, and a section of support needs where you can outline any specific adaptations required, especially for children with special educational needs. To achieve a more detailed activity level plan, Elina gives you the option to create a project plan, a powerful extension of your group plan. You will have to go all the way top to the header of the group plan, where you will see a button labeled Create a Project Plan. This is where you can seamlessly transition from broad objectives to day-to-day target actions. Just like before, you can select the time frame of this project. While the group plan covers long periods of time, the project plan is ideal for shorter cycles, for example, a week or even a few days of focus work. Then you'll choose how many activities you want Elina to generate as part of the project. Elina will progressively build these activities, aligning each one with the competences you selected, your targets and learning outcomes, and even individual education plans of your students, ensuring that every learner is considered. You'll also find a section labeled Resources and Materials, where you can list any materials you want to use or already have available. Elina will base her activity suggestions on these materials, making your plan realistic and practical. In the Custom Methods and Activities box, you can add specific activities you already have in mind, you can also mention your preferred pedagogical approach, like Montessori or project-based learning, or simply choose from a list pre-designed methods and activities created by Elina. Finally, just like in the group plan, select the competences to focus on. Once you're ready, click Create a Project Plan. And just like that, boom, Elina will generate a fully personalized list of detailed activities. These are completed with clear learning objectives, methodological suggestions, evaluation ideas and indicators, and embedded support considerations for students with special educational needs. It's your entire short-term project, planned out, research-based, inclusive, and ready to implement. Finally, if you need even more tailored support, you can chat directly with Elina. On the project plan page, you'll notice a button in the header that says Start Chatting with Elina. Click it to instantly open the chat and start asking questions. You can also access the chat anytime through the navigation bar on the left. The chat is your personal assistant for asking for more detailed lesson plans, requesting photo analysis to guide documentation or reflection, and even creating printable materials you can use right away in your classroom. You can choose whether you want your chat to focus on a group you've created or just keep it general. Just type your question in and shoot it away. Elina is there to support your creativity, save time, and make your planning process even more effective. Now that you have seen how to create a group profile, a group plan, and a project plan, go ahead and try it out in your own Elina account. Explore how Elina can help you plan smarter, teach inclusively, and save time. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you to feel confident in using Elina to support your planning. See you in the next one.